Okay, what robotic kit is that?
It's the solar robot.
But it's for 10 plus years. How old are you?
I'm 7 plus.
You're 7?
Yes.
Okay. You think you'll be able to make it?
Yes, I have assembled the gearbox and the solar panel.
Show me the solar panel. Okay. And what is that?
It's the gearbox.
So you've already assembled it?
Yes, there are some stickers.
This is your instruction manual.
In the front side it looks like this.
Okay.
In the last page it's like
Okay, don't need to look at the last page. And what are these?
These are the parts, plastic parts.
Okay.
You have to identify with the letters. This is B, and also this is E. E.
Okay, it's the E panel.
Yeah. Then
What is that?
this is C.
Looks like it's the C panel, okay?
Then this is
Okay, that's the A panel.
yeah.
And
A panel.
your instructions are given here.
Yes, how to make it.
Okay, there are no written instructions, but just the numbers, is it?
Yes, this is the first page, this is second page, and this is the gearbox instruction.
You followed it?
Yes.
And you assembled it?
Yes, and this is also the solar panel. Like this one, I did it. Even there will be 2 dual gums coming, dual tape for the solar panel to be fixed in this part. And there will be eyes also, there will be stickers also, the one that I showed you. This one.
Okay. So you have the gearbox and your solar panel ready.
Yes.
What you gonna do next?
I'm going to make the robot's design. Then this is I'm going to make the boat type. This is the one given, this thing. For the boat
Okay.
type.
Okay. Okay. Let's carry on.
So now I have assembled the wire and gave this plastic, and I even gave this one and the stickers. So now I'm going to test my gearbox and the solar panel.
So you have attached your gearbox to the solar panel.
Yeah, the wires.
Where are you going to test it?
There's a balcony in the sun. I'm going to test it.
Okay, let's go and test it in the sun.